Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make money by selling your videos or audio on Storyblocks. Now, you probably love creating audio or videos, but you want to make money from it by selling it on a great platform such as Storyblocks. Now, this is actually very easy, and I will show you how you can apply for becoming a seller within Storyblocks. So what you need to do is you need to go to storyblocks.com. This can either on your PC or on your mobile, and then scroll all the way down until you see right here, company, and then you see become a contributor. So tap on this, and as you can see, contribute to storyblocks.com. And what you see right now, make money doing what you love. Grow your earnings by reaching a new market of storytellers. So you can apply to join. The contribute part of Storyblocks. So what you need to do is you need to fill in your first name, last name, email address, public username, so basically your handle, your password, confirm your password, and then you can either choose to sell videos or audio. Then you need to include links to your portfolio or portfolios that showcase your past work. So of course you probably have a portfolio or just a social media account. You can add them right here. Are you applying on behalf of yourself as a freelancer or as part of a company or freelancer? And how did you hear about us? Boom, you can select that, and then the only thing you need to do is check this and then continue application. And what they will do right now is they will check out your application and they will send you a message if they decline or accept you. And as you can see, they have over 180,000 active members that are making money from selling audio or video to basically mostly YouTube creators. And this is really, as they say, an untapped market, and so a chance for you to make money from. So I do recommend you to apply. They will probably accept you if it is high quality content, if it's high quality content, and if it's your content. And this way you can make money. Don't expect it to be a lot, because of course you need to upload a lot of content to the platform to get recognized and to make a significant amount of money. But there was a nice chance of earning an extra bucks within a great platform. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just let them know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.